Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in one set, comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades, easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle. Meat thermometer, instant read food thermometer. Our instant read thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions. Meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use, from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Sponge holder. Stainless steel. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Sandwich maker. The perfect gift. Whether it's a birthday, a white elephant party, or Father's Day, the breakfast sandwich maker makes a fantastic gift for all occasions. From dads to grads, it's the ideal present for busy professionals, students, and foodies alike. Make 1 or 2 sandwiches. Cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at once with this dual breakfast sandwich maker. It's great for couples, kids, and extra guests. Quick, easy, and ready to eat in 5 minutes. This sandwich maker lets you easily create a breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in 5 minutes or less. Perfect for a quick meal on the go. Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. Skip the fast food drive-thru and the store's freezer section. Make your own hot, delicious breakfast sandwiches at home instead. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the 3rd slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchelance, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, Our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Fruit Soft Serve Maker. Quick and easy to use. Within minutes, easily turn any frozen fruit into a smooth ice cream or sorbet-like treat, without additional fats, sugars, or preservatives. Delicious versatility. Create your own healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free treats, or use the 36 included recipes to create simple, homemade desserts like pies, parfaits, and sorbets. Easy to clean. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the base easily wipes clean after use. Perfect serving size. Make a single serving or enough for the whole family. Peace of mind, trusted brand for over a decade, 1-year limited defective coverage, and BPA-free. Nylon Meat Masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Egg cooker. Kawu egg cooker. Kawu egg boiler. Priority launch egg cooker. 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14 egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025 Vegetable Slicer. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. For salad, hash brown, taco, smooth. Oven gloves. Silicone. Sturdy, flexible, high-grade oven mitts. Trivets and mini pinch mitts with a honeycomb textured surface for a strong grip. Heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 15-inch extra-long oven mitts safeguard hands and forearms from hot cookware and boiling water. Use the trivets to protect kitchen counters or as a pot holder, and use the mini pinch mitts for instant gripping. Made using BPA-free food-grade silicone, this oven mitts pot holder set is sturdy, non-toxic, heat-resistant, stain-resistant, and safe for your loved ones. Waterproof silicone material is not affected by steam or hot liquids, so your kitchen counters stay dry and protected. They also can be machine washed and tumble-dried to refresh its look.